What is up guys, it's Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be walking you through the radio removal on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. Let's get into it. Alright guys, start the repair by popping off the side cover of the dash panel. This step is actually optional, but if you remove this and push it to the side, it will give you better access and a better prying angle when removing the radio trim. Next, start prying off the radio trim. This radio trim is a long piece, and because it's so long, it can easily be broken. Start from the passenger side AC vent and start prying up, releasing the tabs that are holding down the trim panel. Once there was enough space to fit my hand in, I opened up the glove box and slowly pulled towards me. Carefully release the clips, sliding your hand to the left and releasing more clips. Keep doing this till you get all the way to the driver's side, releasing all the clips and the trim panel is loose. Once it's loose, don't just yank it off because there's two connectors that are still connected. Unplug the airbag off light and the hazard lights. If you guys are unplugging the airbag connector, leave the car off. Do not cycle the key. If you guys do cycle the ignition with it unplugged, it will throw an airbag code and you will need a scanner to clear it. However, for this video, I'm removing the radio to install some subs, so I will need to cycle the key on and off a little bit. So if this is your situation too, you can remove the whole assembly by pushing down the two tabs. Once they're disconnected, put on the side. Next, remove the four 10mm bolts holding down the radio to the dashboard. It's always good practice to have a magnet on hand. Sometimes the bolt gets stuck all the way in there and have a tendency to fall all the way down to the bottom of the center console. Having a magnet ready allows you to catch the bolt before it falls and you lose the bolt. Firmly grasp the radio and pull towards you once those four bolts are removed. Once you pull the radio out, look towards the back where you'll see 6 connectors. Remove these connectors by pushing down the tab and pulling out. Once all those connectors are moved, put the radio to the side and you guys are done. Congratulations guys, you now know how to remove the radio on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. For installation, install in reverse order. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!